Hi everyone, let's talk about Progenity. It's a biotechnology company that provides and develops and also commercializes molecular testing products in the United States. Snowflake analyzed pretty raw, 0 to 0 on every segment. Market cap is still so huge, 129 million, and revenue grew by 90% over the past year. On the risk side, has less than 1 year of cash runway, highly volatile share price, and we've seen that this is also short term and also the midterm decreasing. And by the way, this is all time currently minus almost 90%, and yeah, 1 year return minus 84. They made the IPO back in June last year, 2020. The price were $13. Currently it's 1.38. So it decreased pretty significantly. Those who invested at earlier stages, and I mean after the IPO at around $10, 9, even at here $3, that's still minus 57. So this is the volatility that is on market. But now once again we see that the volumes are increasing based on today's trading day, 82 million, and you see this kind of movement here that it sure hit some kind of bottom point. August 20th lowest point. I guess there's at around 0.60 maybe strong, very strong support, and it hit actually this one, and since that it increased, I guess within 5 days. Yeah, 41% increasing in short term. And by the way, Biopharma Catalyst shows no drug pipeline that they have. There was news 21st of September, Progenity to participate 11th annual partnership opportunities in drug delivery conference. And I'm not quite sure, do they have the product already, or let's read about the more about the company. So they non-invasive prenatal screening test offered to women early in pregnancy to screen their chromosome abnormalities such as Down syndrome. Yeah, actually, there's a okay. It offers screening test. So this is actually they are selling the screening test to offered to women in early pregnancy to screen their chromosome. Yeah, screening test, and yeah. Further, the company develops therapeutic solutions for gastrointestinal related disorders such as, here's the codes. It also owns and operates laboratory, formerly known, yeah, there's a formerly was known as the Ascendant MDX, and changed its names in November 2013. The company was founded in 2010. There's a lot of risks. They printed also the shares out, so shares outstanding keep increasing significantly, basically 10 times within 2 years, and it doubles within compared to last year. Negative shareholder equity, which is very serious situation, and also they yeah, currently unprofitable and forecasted to become profitable the next 3 years. There's a lot of competitors also with high level of market cap, 27 billion, 18, 12, 2.7. Laboratory Corporation, Quest Diagnostic. Those are pretty new companies for me, so I didn't even research this kind of companies. Anyway, price history and performance, we see that this is decreasing. Returns are not good at all. Not the longer frames are not beating the U.S. healthcare. Also the biotech industry, neither the market. And price volatility, it's on a lowest because it don't have 5-year relative to the market, the volatility. Fundamentals, revenue is currently, this is actually very good, 74 million. Earnings are minus 229 million. Unfortunately, high level of losses there, and market cap is 128 million. So to finance the earnings, decreasing earnings, they need to print the shares out to somehow finance the operating business. Valuation side, unfortunately, Simple Wall Street does not have any price targets, but we see TipRanks showing 3.5. That is meaning 157% upside. And in good scenarios, we check this one, 12-month forecast, $5 per share. And also the Market Watch has at better even price targets. At the highest point, $12, lowest $2. That's still at the lowest point, still upside, an average of $7 per share. Future growth for the company is forecasted over 40%. They have this kind of movements here in volatile earnings and also the volatile revenue. Earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to grow. And past performance, we've seen last year earnings decreasing by 10%. On the financial health side, we see the negative shareholder equity, and they do have also the debt, 167 million, and cash, 65 million. So the cash level is not covering the debt, unfortunately. So therefore, balance sheet looks red on the liabilities side. They're not paying dividends. And if we check the insiders, there is on the buyer side, actually June, this is actually interesting. So they brought at December 13 million, and once again in June 20 million at price 247. And there's also the individuals that are buying. Ownership breakdown. VCP affirms owning 61%. So this is interesting, by the way. Insiders 12, general public 10, institutions 9, hedge funds 6. This is actually very interesting. So top shareholders, if we find, Vanguard increased 19%, BlackRock therefore decreasing 63%. That is all reported in end of June. This is actually a very interesting situation. But anyway, as I said, the volumes are getting high, but this is the tunnel is showing that it's trending downside, and they printed a lot of shares out. Total sales decreased compared to previous years, and this is all-time minus 89% in the returns. And investing.com summing the stock for long-term investors as a strong sell. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.